Hello guys! Welcome to my channel and for today's video, kakain tayo ng mangga with sauce. Sabi ng aking mabait na alaga at napakagwapo. Ay, ang sauce niya is...
Love you.
Oh, I love you too, baby.
I say love you to the phone.
Alamang. Malaking mangga siya guys, galing sa puno. Binalatan ko na at ready to eat na siya guys. Nawawala ako minsan kasi itong alaga ko English paka. Kaya ang lola nyo, dumudugo minsan yung ilong tsaka yung utak. Let's eat guys! Nandito kami sa gym. Kasi ayaw niya lumabas kasi medyo mainit sa labas. Sarap guys.
Did you say it already?
Sarap.
Did you say, hello guys, we're eating mango with sauce. Did you say that already?
Yeah, I'm saying na.
Okay. You forgot how to say?
So yummy. You want to taste it? Just Filipino food.
Where did you get that?
From your babushka. Babushka means
Lola.
lola, grandmother.
That's my mama's grandmother.
Mama's mother. Ang lola sa Russian guys is babushka. Sarap guys. Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa manggang to. Pero napakasarap. Pero nakakaganda siya ng mata guys. Sarap. Masarap sila magluto pati yung alamang. Hindi kasi ako nagluto nito guys. Galing to sa kabilang bahay. Pinadala dito. Sweet.
Oh na.
This is Filipino food. Ayan. Nagiging Bisaya na tayo guys. Bisdak mandako yatay.
Bad word.
No, that's not bad words.
And where did you get that word?
In my hometown.
What? What did you say?
In my hometown.
In your hometown?
Yeah.
Which one?
Ayan guys. Tanong na naman. Ayan. Dumudugo na naman yung ilong ko.
Hindi dugo, oh?
Wala naman daw dugo yung ilong ko guys. Ayan, kain tayo guys.
Wala dugo.
Sobrang sarap.
Wala dugo.
Mukbang tayo. Ng mangga.
Love you guys.
Sweet naman ng aking alaga. Supportive na aking alaga. Tanong ng tanong. Nauubusan na ako ng sasabihin. Isasagot. Pag may matatanong siya guys, sasabihin ko lang, okay. Yes.
Stop laughing.
Nakakapangit pala to ng mukha guys. Lalo akong pumangit.
Anna, stop laughing.
Okay. I'm serious pala, no? Because I'm vlogging.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Anna.
Ubusin ko to, guys. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you po.
What about